In front of me is Oukitel WP36, and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling down to access Security section. Then click on Fingerprint Face and Fingerprint Unlock under Screen Lock and enter your current login method. Finally, hit Face Unlock here. Scroll all the way down and tap on I agree. After tapping on Start, keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions presented on your screen. Then hit Done. So when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!